9 called design hash map. So design hash map without using any build hash table library. So also usually we will use list. Okay, so there you have three functions. The first is put, so key and value. Okay, and the second is get. So get means if key is already in, then you should get the specific value corresponding to a key, but return -1 if the maps contains no memory for key, and then you need to remove a key. Okay, so if I put 1 1, put 2 2, then I get 1, then 1 is already here, so I need to return 1, and I get 3, there's no 3, so it's -1, and I put 2 to be 1, so I need to change 2 to be 1, and I get 2, just return 1, and I remove 2, then 2 is disappear, I get 2 is -1. Okay, so there's a very genius way that we can do it. So basically, because the all keys and value will be in a range here, and the number of operation is, so basically we can initialize a list which is very long, from -1, and the length is like, what is this? What's this? 100,000. Okay, we put key, so you just set that key, that list, that position to be a value. Because key, in this case, key is integer, so we can do this, right? Because key is 0 to this, and also it's an integer, so I can need to be value. So I just get this. So this is set really beautiful, because if a of key is changed, then when you get, you still get this, and if there's no key, then you just get -1, because we initialize all the list to be -1. So this is very beautiful way to write this put and get. Okay, remove just put into a -1. Yeah, so this genius way basically is interpreted -1 as one element, as a default element. So basically this is very beautiful. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Then we can submit. Okay, and I will see you guys in next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.